In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google AI Studio to n8n. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Google AI Studio is you want to click on Get API Key at the bottom left, and then here you'll be able to click on API Key and then select your API key. If you don't have one, you can just click on Create API Key at the very top right. You have to name your key. We're going to name it Test for now, and then you also have to choose an imported project. So I just have this calculator project over here, which I basically built. It's an app of mine I created, and of course you could also import one or create a new one, but I'm just going to use this one for this tutorial, and then I'm going to click on Create Key. This is going to basically start creating a new key, and then within just a few seconds, there we go, there it is. Now you want to click on the key here, and it's going to show your key. Make sure you don't share this with anyone. I'm going to, of course, you'll be able to see it here. I'm going to copy it for this tutorial, and then I'm going to delete it. So just make sure you actually do not share this. I'm going to copy it right now, and then you want to go to n8n, and inside n8n, you want to add the first step inside your workflow. So you can click either over here or on the plus button on the right hand side, and then you want to look for Gemini. Click on Google Gemini. And here you want to first select the action, so we're just going to do something basic here, such as upload a file. And then here you will basically have to add in the credentials. Click on Select Credential, and then Create New Credential. And here you will need the API key. Now, right now, as you can see, it says host. Just leave this as it is, and then the host, or the API key should be the one we just got. So I copied it, pasted it in here. You want to click on the Save button when you do this. It's going to start saving, and it's going to say credentials successfully created, and connection has been tested successfully. That's a very, very good sign. Then you can just exit this out. Then you can, of course, get your step set up. Click on Execute Step to test this out, and that's all you have to do. So that's how to connect it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.